Hello everyone, we are back with basic grammar for grade 1 to 5. It is session 2. Today we'll be talking about types of sentences. Broadly, it has been categorized into two. One based on meaning and the other based on structure. Let us see, based on meaning, how many categories are there. The first is assertive or declarative or statement. Don't get confused, it is one and the same. Assertive means it ascertains, declarative means it declares, and the third one, statement, means it states. Second is interrogative sentence, third is imperative sentence, and the fourth is exclamatory sentence. Based on structure, there are three kinds: simple sentence, compound sentence, and the third is complex sentence. Moving further, we will dwell deep into sentences based on meaning. As I told you before, assertive, declarative, statement, all these three are one and the same. It states facts and figures. Let us see one example. Every day I go for a morning walk. Now, how to identify these kind of sentences? It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Quite simple. Here you can see it is starting with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. So, isn't it very easy? Yes. Again, it has been subdivided into affirmative sentence and negative sentence. It can be distinguished by modal. This particular word can is called modal, and this is positive modal. Cannot is negative modal. So this is the simple difference between affirmative and negative sentence. Let us see the example and how it changes the meaning. I can finish this task by today. A person is saying that he can finish the task by that day itself. And in the second sentence, he is mentioning, I cannot finish this task by today. He confirms that he won't be able to finish the task on that particular day. So the only difference is positive modal and negative modal. Then coming to the second category, it is interrogative sentence. It is a questioning sentence. It may be in the form of yes or no, WH questions, do questions, have questions, and many more. Okay. So the example for this is, did you have breakfast? Here you can see, here also it starts with a capital letter but ends with a question mark. This is the identification. It starts with a capital letter and it has a question mark. It also starts with a questioning word. Okay. But here in the second sentence, if you notice, did you had breakfast is a wrong format. The structure is wrong. Why it is wrong? With did, we are not supposed to use had. It becomes double past tense and it is not allowed. So with do, did, does, we refrain using past tense. We should not use had. Imperative sentence. This is quite different from the other type of sentences because it doesn't indicate with its punctuation. We need to understand this type of sentence by the tone of the speaker or mood of the writer. So it mainly denotes order, request, or command. So let us see the examples and try to understand what is imperative sentence is all about. Give a glass of water, please. It's request. Don't walk on the grass. It's order. Yes. So let us see the voice modulation once again. Keep a glass of water, please. It's request. Don't walk on the grass. It is order. Now you must be wondering what is the difference between order and command. Order is generally used in informal sense, whereas command is used in formal sense. Okay? So let's move to the last type of sentence, exclamatory sentence. It is a sentence which denotes emotions, sudden feeling, and it is not planned sentence. You don't think much to say this. It just comes out of your mouth. How to identify this? Here you can see one exclamatory mark. It may be in the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. Here maybe I'm understanding this. A student is saying, alas, I have too many holidays now. We demand holidays, but now after having so many holidays, we don't like to have holidays, right? We want to come back to school, meet our teachers, meet our friends, and want to experience the learning and other experiences which a lot of happening in the school. You might be missing all those things. So the student like you is wanting to go to school. That is how I'm saying this sentence. I can say that even teachers are now want to come back and just want to say their children how they have learned during summer vacation and what are the other skills they have learned. Okay, so we are all excited. Once the school begins, we'll be doing more of these things, and it will be with more positivity and of course maintaining social distance. Okay, now coming to the next slide, sentence based on structure. I had told you there are 3 types of sentences based on structure: simple, compound, complex. To understand this concept, you need to have the knowledge of phrases and clauses and finite and non-finite verbs. It's totally a different ball game. So I don't want to deal in length and breadth about this now. We will take it as a separate session and we'll deal with this. Since it is related to sentence, I have just put 1 or 2 slides regarding this. Okay, now let's practice. Find out the type of sentence based on the meaning and punctuation mark. Definitely, punctuation mark is very crucial in understanding the type of sentences. That's the reason your teachers might be telling you, mind your punctuation marks. It's very, very important. Otherwise, meaning may be conveyed in altogether different way. So, punctuation mark is absolutely necessary. So, let's see. I do not have a meeting today. I do not have a meeting today. Will you be learning grammar today? Will you be learning grammar today? Hush, the baby is sleeping. Hush, the baby is sleeping. Where have you kept my glasses? Where have you kept my glasses? I have a long summer vacation. I have a long summer vacation. What a beauty! What a beauty! Close the door, please. Close the door, please. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. I don't like ice cream. I don't like ice cream. Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. So I'm sure within 10 minutes you will be able to identify and write what type of sentence it is. So quickly take your notebook and pencil and start writing your answers and send it back